Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can close your account on Indeed permanently in 2026. So let us guide you through it. Navigate to Indeed, log into your account, and you will need to access your account settings. So to do that, click into your profile icon in the top right and select settings. From there, navigate to account settings in the top left. And here at the bottom of that menu, guys, you will see this option, close my account. Click into it, and it is optional, but you may provide, for example, a reason for your closing request. But you can also leave that empty or select other, for example. Just bear in mind, guys, that this action can't be undone. So if you really want to delete your account, which would imply also that your entire account with all the data and all uploaded job resumes and CVs, all of that would be deleted from your account. So make sure that you're really sure to do that. And if that's the case, click into this button here. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.